Let's take a look at this Bonacell 40-volt lithium-ion battery for Ryobi tools that the company sent as a sample, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. My old 40-volt Ryobi battery had completely died. No amount of charging could save it. So I needed a new 40-volt battery for my hedge trimmer, and this Bonacell battery looked perfect. It's designed to be a compatible replacement for my Ryobi 40-volt OP4026 battery, as well as all of these battery models shown here. It's rated at 7 amp hours, while the original battery had only 2.6 amp hours, meaning this is over 2.5 times as much power as my original battery. So my trimmer works longer between recharges and I finish faster. It doesn't come with a charger, but it fits perfectly into my original Ryobi charger, and the charger recognized it and provided the standard recharge indicators without any issues. Once done, the battery includes a status light so you can keep track of how much power you have left with these 4 lights that come on when you press the battery status button. It fits perfectly into my trimmer and it just works. So it has more power, it fits perfectly, it works perfectly as a replacement, and yes, of course, it's a terrific value. Unless they can also figure out a way to make it repel mosquitoes and blow air conditioning on me while I'm working, I'm not sure what more I could ask for in a replacement 40-volt battery like this. I hope this short video has helped you decide if this Bonacell 40-volt battery is the perfect battery replacement for your tools, and thanks for watching.